We, the Australian Tibetans, will strongly urge the Australian government to join our allies and put these CCP officials responsible for the devastating human rights abuse in Tibet to be considered for Magnitsky sanction. 3 of the 5 officials has already been sanctioned by USA, EU, Canada, and UK. It is time for Australia to show our commitment towards human rights. I would like to introduce Kusho Samdem Puzola now to present the list of officials for consideration for Magnitsky sanction.
Now, the Australian government had a similar history with the Stolen Generation and Indigenous Australians, and recognised that the Stolen Generation is a historical mistake. Well, this level of cultural genocide is happening right now in Tibet. These Chinese colonial boarding schools should be stopped before it becomes another historical mistake. We strongly urge the Australian government to hold these CCP Chinese officials who are responsible for cultural genocide and human rights violations accountable by sanctioning them under the Magnitsky